Today we'll study about the tongue. The tongue is studied in two parts. One is anterior 2/3 and the posterior 1/3. This is the dorsum of the tongue and this is the ventral part of the tongue. On the dorsal side, the anterior 2/3 contain papillae, which in turn contain taste buds. The both anterior and posterior compartments are divided by a sulcus terminalis, the center of which has a cecum. The anterior 2/3 has 4 types of papillae. On the next to sulcus terminalis, we have circumvallate papillae. They are 12 to 14 in number. And in the bulk of the tongue, in the center of the tongue, we have filiform papillae. On the margins, we have fungiform papillae, and towards the end, we have foliate papillae, which are rudimentary in human beings. Coming to the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, it is mostly containing lymph nodes, which makes the tonsils, that is lingual tonsils. The nerve supply of the sensory nerve supply of the tongue, the anterior 2/3, the general sensory supply is given by lingual nerve, and the special sensory nerve supply for the anterior 2/3 is given by chorda tympani, a branch of facial nerve. Coming to the posterior side, the sensory supply of the posterior 1/3, both the general and the special sensory nerve supply is given by glossopharyngeal nerve, but the most posterior part of the tongue is supplied by internal laryngeal nerve, which comes from the 4th pharyngeal arch. But the circumvallate papillae, which comes in the anterior compartment, is supplied by glossopharyngeal as it has embryological reasons. Coming to the blood supply of the tongue, the arterial supply is given by the external carotid artery. 3 branches of external carotid artery. One is lingual artery, which again divides into deep and dorsal lingual artery, and the second one is ascending pharyngeal artery, and the third one is
tonsillar branch of facial artery.
The venous drainage from this goes into common facial vein, which drains into internal jugular vein. And the lymphatic drainage of tongue, the apical part and the central part goes into bilateral draining. The apical part drains into submental region, and the central part drains into deep cervical lymph nodes. The sides, that is the margins of the tongue, unilaterally drain into the respective side submandibular nodes.